So, a lot of you have been asking, where are the updates for the boat? Well, here's one update. It is nicely covered up. Here's another update. Well, I think that stopped play a little bit. It's cold. So as you can see, we've been having a fair bit of horrible weather, and that's literally all that's dictating the build so far, because the next stage is woodwork, so we don't want any moisture getting into the timbers and causing any splitting with frost and things like that. So we're literally waiting for a weather window. In between everything else that we're doing, we are training. We are training because we hope, once this boat is built and we've got the two boats together, all tested and make sure they're ready to go, we hope that we can do round Britain, which is over 2,000 miles. And this, we are very excited. A passage plan has been made, a massive thing to do. If you want to see any of the training, please head over to the other YouTube of mine, which is Pick Deck. I will link it below, and on there it's more of a photography trip, but we are using all the hiking as training and things like that. So if you want to see our adventures, go over to there, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, all sorts of stuff like that. And if you're interested in photography, even better. But don't worry, be rest assured that this boat is getting done. Enjoy today's video. This video is a loop of Anglesey, the first of 2022 for us, and it was absolutely stunning. Freezing, but stunning. Hope you enjoy.
It's never gonna be any good for you or me. 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 This is never gonna be any good for you or me. This is never gonna be any good for you or me. Every single time I look at you, I'm confounded with the truth. Any good for you or me. Any good for you or me. Any good for you or me.
That is very sneaky. What's your advice there, Daniel?
Always check your charts.
Always check your charts, and you'll know that's there. Especially when the tide's slightly higher. There's no way you're seeing that. Today's lesson is over. Welcome to Rossnagar. Well, there's your first loop of Anglesey of 2022. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you soon. Say goodbye, Dan.
Goodbye, Dan.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye.